Polo G paid way too much money for his house in Chatsworth, and I'm going to tell you why. But first, let me tell you what I like about it. I love the masculine facade, and I think this property has great bones. The problem is the finishes. It was built in 2018, and I don't know what went wrong. Either the owner or the developer had no taste and didn't know what was in 2018, or he was trying to cut corners and save money. But the volume is there. I love how big the kitchen is and how well it connects to the breakfast nook and to the family room. You have a game room and a wine cellar, and the primary bedroom is massive. You have a huge terrace, and you have a his and her walk-in closet and bathrooms. Now, the property is about 1.8 acres. Most of it is flat, but you have no grass, and you can put that in. I know you can fix it. You have a tennis court, also functions as a basketball court, but this is what I hate about this property. It has this really ugly driveway that cuts through the backyard, but you know how to fix it, right? Because you've watched all my other videos and you follow my channel. You just hedge the freaking driveway, right? You put ficuses, tall ones, and you optically make it beautiful. Now, this is why he paid too much money for it, because this property was on the market for 799 days before he bought it. It was listed for $5 million, and he paid $4,885,000 for it. That's way too close to asking. Tell me in the comments below, what's the #1 rule in negotiations, and follow my channel.